Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the DST function on your Casio Illuminator watch. Today's model is going to be the W756, but this tutorial is going to work for other models out there, including a bunch of Casio G-Shock watches. So what we want to do first of all is to be in our home screen, so where we have the time and date displayed. In case you do not see the time and date displayed, what you want to do is to press the mode button until you arrive where we have the home screen. So in my case, the time and date displayed. In this position, what I want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for a few seconds, and we're going to hear a small beep. The first thing that we can set are going to be the seconds. So as you can see, they are flickering, flashing. This means that I can press the reset button in order to reset them. But I'm going to press the mode button in order to go to the next option, and here we have the DST. Also here on the top right corner we can see that we have the DST. This means that the DST is on and it is going to remain on the main screen. If I want to turn it off, I'm going to press the start stop button, and as you can see, the small sign for the DST on the top right corner has disappeared. If I press it again, I'm going to turn on the DST, and now I'm going to turn it off. I have begun with the DST turned on, so it was on and the DST was on the main display. And now in order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button once again, and as you can see right now, the DST is off and is no longer appearing on the main screen where we have the time and date displayed. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, so how to set the time and date, also how to use the stopwatch, the timer, the world time function, the alarm, everything, make sure to subscribe and check out the full guide, link in the description box below, guys. And in case you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, it really means a lot. And in case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.